are you? Welcome to my channel. I hope आपने मेरे पुराने वीडियोस चेक किए होंगे, and if you haven't, do check my videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's just quickly get started. Today's topic is we will draw a cute unicorn. Okay, so let's just get started. We will follow a step by step. So सबसे firstly we are gonna draw a oval. Okay, so this is a oval. एक और oval draw करेंगे. So this is the second oval. This is our second oval. After this we are gonna draw a line, cylindrical line, cylinder to join this two. Once this is done, we are gonna draw a semicircle over here. Check it. After that we are gonna draw one cone, then one more semicircle, then one more cone in the middle. Okay, so this is done. After this we will draw a tail. Fine. After that we are gonna draw a legs. After that we are gonna draw legs, and now legs are completed. After that we are gonna do a detailing. Okay, this is done. After that we are gonna draw eyes. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and do let me know in comment section which video did you like the most. Once this is done, let's just take a blue color pencil, and we are gonna color it inside this. Use one stroke for coloring. So this is done. We are gonna color legs. After this is done, we are gonna color neck. Basically cylinder ka shape we have drawn a neck. After that we are gonna color face. And just giving a dark outline to the outer one so that color looks very nice. So this is done. After that I'm gonna take orange color and I will color this out. After that, let's take yellow color. and color this out. After that I'm taking green color and color this out. Then after that I'm taking green color, okay, and this. So here also we can use a green color if you want, otherwise we can use another color. Let's take a purple color. And after this, as unicorn is always around this all things, let's draw this so that it will look cute. You can use any colors. So our cute unicorn is ready. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you like my video. Thank you.